In this video, I'll explain how to write isotope notation, which is also known by various other names including Nuclide symbol. In the middle is always the element symbol. In the upper left corner is the mass number, which is the number of protons plus neutrons. And in the lower left corner is the atomic number, the number of protons in every atom. For this helium atom, the mass is 4. That's why it's called Helium-4. This way of writing it is called hyphen notation. There are 2 protons in a helium atom. So when we write the isotope symbol, we need to put a 2 in the lower left corner. That's the atomic number. There are also 2 neutrons. So the number of protons plus neutrons equals 4. This is the mass number, which goes in the upper left-hand corner. Since there are also 2 electrons, the atom is neutral. 2 positive protons and 2 negative electrons means no overall charge for the atom. We can write a 0 in the upper right-hand corner to show no charge, though people don't usually do this. You really only need to indicate the charge when there is one. So here's our finished isotope notation for helium-4. A carbon-14 atom has 6 protons in the nucleus, just like every other carbon atom. If it has 6 electrons, like the picture shown, then it'll be a neutral atom. For the isotope symbol, I draw a C for carbon and a 6 in the lower left-hand corner to show that there are 6 protons per atom. Since this is carbon-14, there are also 8 neutrons in the nucleus, because 6 plus 8 equals 14. I finish by adding the mass number 14 in the upper left-hand corner. In this next example, the atom is negative. It's known as an ion because it has a charge, and negative ions are known as anions. Since it's a nitrogen atom, it will always have 7 protons. And since the mass number is 15, there are 8 neutrons, because 7 plus 8 equals 15. Looking at the picture, there are 10 electrons around the nucleus. 7 positives plus 10 negatives adds to -3, which is the charge of this anion. So when writing the isotope notation, the charge 3- goes in the upper right-hand corner. The mass number 15 goes in the upper left, and the atomic number 7 goes in the lower left. In our last example, we have a lithium-7 ion that's positive. Positive ions are called cations. A silly way to remember this is that cats have paws, so a cation is a positive ion. The lithium ion will have 3 protons, 4 neutrons, and only 2 electrons. So it will have 3 positive charges, but only 2 negative charges. The charges of 2 protons and 2 electrons will cancel out, and that leaves 1 positive charge. So the isotope symbol will have Li with a 1+ in the upper right-hand corner to show the positive charge, and a 3 and a 7 on the left to round it out.